Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to play Hexa Puzzle minigame into Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Telegram, and after opening Telegram, simply open the game of Hamster Kombat. Then after opening Hamster Kombat, you can see this home page into your screen, and you will get to see this mini games option directly. Now in order to play the Hexa mini game, you just simply have to go into mini game section and you will get to see Hexa Puzzle. Just simply open that, and after this you will get the option of play. Simply tap into that option. Now in order to play this game, you just simply have to stack any of these suitable options into this hexagonal shapes, and after that you just simply have to stack one color into another. Whenever you put similar color next to other similar color, it will stack to each other. After reaching to certain height, it will be vanished and you will get the point. As you can see here, I have successfully stacked these many of colors right here. Now if I put this green into this hex right here, this other green will stack into the new one, and I will put this yellow color into here, and these three will stack together and you will get coins accordingly. This way you can very easily stack colors and play this hex game. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.